Hey guys, it's John from John's DIY Playground. Today we're going to be installing into my 2016 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB with this Atwood, now Dometic, makes these stove and oven combo. It didn't come with a cover, so we've got this CAMCO RV stovetop cover. It's a universal fit, so we'll see how universal it is today. Just for reference, my stovetop is about 21 inches wide, and it's about, let's say, 19.5 inches deep. And height wise, the kit from the surface to the top of these grates, that's about 2.5 inches. So I think we're going to encapsulate this whole thing and be able to use this for added counter space. So with that in mind, let's open this box up and let's get started. So I just took the cover out of the box, and this is how it comes. And I'm just test fitting things. As you can see, when you fold this section up, that's where you'll find your mounting screws, your mounting hardware. There is a piano hinge on the back that I'll show you, and the idea is that you're going to drill into your counter and put these screws down into it, which it bothers me a little bit, but I think this is going to be permanent, and it looks like it's a great fit too. There's enough clearance to the grate for this thing. You could flip it back once and just use the front burner and still have areas to store stuff here, or if you're going to use the other burners too, you'd flip the thing fully up and it would just be up and out of the way, then you have access to all burners. So this piano hinge that I'm telling you about is located right here, and like I said, you can bolt it or screw it right down into your countertop in a few different places, or another option would be to use some double-sided tape and just tape it down. That might preserve this countertop surface. I don't know, it might also pull up on it. So I think I'm going to screw it in for this particular rig, and I might even get some soft foam padding to keep these from vibrating on the countertop surface when it's in transport. Okay, I got this thing positioned just how I want it and centered left to right. I have a 1/16 inch diameter drill bit here that I'm drilling pilot holes with, and I'm just going to do the outer ones first. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to make sure this thing is square and I'm happy with it, and then once it is, I'll make sure that I can go ahead and do the middle ones, and they'll come real easy. I'm trying to work around the camera here too. A little bit tricky, but how it is at the playground. I drilled all the way through on that one, so I'll switch to drill bit now and get the screws put in. Okay. Just want to check too, when the screws are, the first two are in, that you can flip this thing all the way up, and then it makes it straight up and down and isn't getting in the way, and can freestand on its own. If you're a little too far back, you might have trouble being able to get the cover fully back. I'm happy with the position and the squareness of everything, so now I'm going to go ahead and drill the other 3 pilot holes with the 1/16 inch diameter drill bit. Okay, switching over to the screwdriver bit. Okay, let's check function again. It does move a little bit left to right, even with all the screws in. So I will put those foam pads onto this thing. Just checking everything out. Looks good. And let's just do the finishing touches. Alright, for final finishing touches, because this thing can move around a little bit and possibly mar the countertop surface, I'm going to use some of these foam pads that just have adhesive on the back. You can pick these up at any hardware store and just peel and stick them on. So at each corner, I'm just going to stick the foam pads on there, and then not just on this one, but also on the underside of the other half. And I'll show you that there. Peel, stick. These things are die cut. Just like that. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. And that'll wrap up this install, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel so when you're out and about, you'll see when my new videos come out. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Thumbs up on this one. Have a great day.